Hi, I'm Meenakshi.
And I am Danica. We are LiteraLearn, literacy for every child, every language, every future. While many countries have made significant strides in literacy, much of the world lags behind. 617 million children worldwide are illiterate. As developed nations reach nearly 100% literacy, others flatten out as much less. Why? Economic and political factors often compel children to learn in non native languages, creating disadvantage from the start. Over 66% of the world's children are bilingual, yet most literacy innovation is monolingual.
എൻ്റെ പേര് മനു. ഞാൻ കേരളത്തിലെ ഇന്ത്യയിലെ മാവേലിക്കര സബ് ജില്ലയിലെ ഒരു പ്രൈമറി സ്കൂൾ അധ്യാപകനാണ്.
Research in low income Indian communities found that mastering a base level of literacy in a native language is crucial for proficiency in a second language. Our app is built on this insight.
The market, while filled with AI-powered apps, do not focus on bilingual literacy or provide personalized voice-driven bilingual learning for every language. This is a gap that LiteraLearn fills. We are the only product that combines bilingual literacy, personalized learning, and voice engagement to deliver a learning tool for K-12 students in any language. Students start and progress in their primary language. Once threshold proficiency is demonstrated, the student can practice and improve in both languages. Research suggests that there is a 60% threshold that is best for transitioning, giving the students the best of both worlds. Students get sentences on the app to read aloud.
Amma.
Our AI evaluates and scores the student's spoken version against the correct version and provides feedback. A student can also listen to an audio of the correct version. Each language has 10 levels and 150 questions per level. A teacher can configure levels, thresholds, and even upload sounds of preferred pronunciations if they wish. A dashboard is available for students, teachers, and parents to track progress.
What makes this possible is our advanced AI, proven across more than 1,000 tests and combined with the state-of-the-art bilingual literacy research. Our app today works in 4 languages: English, Malayalam, Hindi, and Sinhala. We are using contacts in India to launch pilot programs, and we are already receiving positive feedback from children who have used LiteraLearn to learn Malayalam and English together. Our research discovered that in our target countries, there is sufficient internet connectivity for us to run pilots and validate our approach. We chose India because of its massive student population, lower literacy rate, and 17% connectivity in urban areas. Our plan is to start in our focus countries with our web app, expand to rural communities in these countries with our hardware solution, and finally expand to bilingual learners in developed nations. Our prototype web app can support a student for 1 year for $1. Our innovation roadmap will reduce this by 30 times by creating optimized AIs based on user patterns. For Tier 2, we have designed a low-cost hardware device that operates without internet connectivity. We expect Tier 3 to primarily utilize the web app given that the countries are well connected. Our market analysis confirms that we can charge $5 per month per student in Tier 3.
We have launched a Kickstarter to raise $5,000 to fund pilots for 2,000 students in 2024 and fund our hardware prototype. In 2025, we plan to raise funds through grants, expand to 60,000 students, which will reduce web app costs 30 times further with AI innovations, and grow to 50 million students by 2035. We will charge our software product in the United States, where 20% of children are bilingual, generate 1 million ARR, and use the funds to provide our products free to developing countries. We have developed contacts at the US State Department, Indian NGOs, which we believe can leverage for rollouts across rural communities. Our website provides education on bilingual literacy, its importance, and our solutions, further supporting our messaging. These elements, coupled with our technology innovation roadmap, should enable us to build and maintain our market advantage. Now is the time to ensure that the world's children do not get left further behind. Join us and make literacy a reality for every child, every language, every future. Thank you.